Oh, let's have an unboxing. Boy, I wonder what this is. So let me see. Don't want to tear anything. Let's see. Open this end. I'm doing it right. Thank goodness for that. Let's see. You can see that. Let's see. Oh, so I think that's all I have to do is just remove this tape. I think. Let's see. I've been dying to open this. Nope. Hold on. I'm just going to pop this off. Oh, I see. Duh. Ooh. Wow. Oh, look at that. Look how many pieces there are. And this is from Dar at DIYs by Dar. Thank you so much, Dar. I've been dying to try the Made by Marley paper, and Dar is one of the brand ambassadors. And so I thank you so, so much. Let's see. There's a little card or a little something here. Oh, it's a card. Oh, Dar, thank you so much. Look at this. I absolutely adore these colors. Look at those colors. I don't know if you can see that okay. Is it reflecting? Made by Marley. And that's from the UK. Look at that, huh? How gorgeous. Yep. Oh, wait a minute. Is it more on the back? Look at these gorgeous colors. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this. Wow. I'm sure there's so much you can do with this too. Wow. Such a generous gift. Look at these gorgeous colors. I think it might go this way. Look at the gold. Look at this color. So beautiful. This is fun, isn't it? This pattern. Gorgeous. Oh, I absolutely love it. It's just so beautiful. Yep. So it gives you plenty of options for anything you want to do. Wow. I mean, that's a lot of paper. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Dar. I really appreciate it so much. And I've been looking forward to it for a long time, waiting to try out this paper. And actually, before I let you go, let me just see if I can feel it. I think I want to just pop one out so that I can feel the texture. I'm very interested in the texture. Oh, it's like a tissue. Oh no, it's very pretty. Wow. It's not a heavy paper. Sometimes when you see people doing them on a video, it looks like it's a really thick paper. But I would say it isn't. It has a really nice consistency. I love the way it's wrapped because look at all this paper. I love the way it's wrapped because it doesn't wrinkle. I know some of the papers I use come folded. That could make it a little challenging. But yes, absolutely love it. Wow. I love this color. I love those patterns. I'm actually going to put them back and kind of set them up so that you can see the different patterns. If I can get this back in, hopefully. There we go. Oh, there we go. It's not so thin that it feels like it would just instantly tear. So I just want to add that too. Let me set it up on my rug over here and take a few photos of it so that you can see it. And again, thank you so much, Dar. I can't wait to use it. Wow, it makes me want to buy new furniture. But I really don't need to. But I do have a particular piece that I think would actually be beautiful with some of this paper. And that's a high chair. And I think I had mentioned it in another video, that is shaped in an Art Deco form with the three kind of sections to it. Really unique high chair. I've never seen anything like it. Very old, you know, probably, I don't know, 1920 to 1950. But I'm thinking more on the earlier side based on some of the hardware. So again, thank you so much. I appreciate it. God bless you. And yeah, take care.